guys, welcome back to the chef video with sausage pancake. Fucking bread. Got the fucking bread. That's all we need. Got bread. We're gonna be making a sandwich. Sandwich time. So I'm pretty sure we have to have some fucking cheese in here. Cause like, God fuck. How do we not have fucking cheese? Oh, there's only cheese we fucking have. Fuck. Okay, we got to get the mayonnaise. It's my last name, mayonnaise, and then gotta get some. Ow, my eyes. Gotta get some turkey. Turkey. Okay. That's our ingredients right there, boys. Gotta go. Okay, there's not enough room here. Fuck. Just gotta chuck that shit. Gotta get the bread. Chuck that shit. Mayonnaise. I'm just kidding. No, just gotta do a cooking show. It's the only thing I can do in this pandemic. You guys can't even fucking see me. What the fuck? Shit sucks. Shit sucks penis. I have to crouch down. I have to literally crouch down. We need a butter knife. Got the butter knife, please. Okay, so got this. Once you got that, so okay, once you got the butter knife, it's not even a fucking butter knife, it's just fucking rubber ass. Open this with one hand. It's gotta record. You know, get that bread. Yeah, so once you open that shit, get the. You never go for this fucking gay ass piece of shit piece. The fuck? So once you get that, what the fuck? Take that, then you, next piece, slap that shit, okay? Got that, boys? So once you do this, eat your mayonnaise, okay? Get a good serving of that. Just slap that all on that piece of bread. You know? Arigato. You gotta get this. Gotta get this piece of bread nice and saucy, you know? Gotta get that bread nice and moist.
Damn, bro, you got the whole squad laughing.
Shit, we don't need that shit anymore. I haven't made a sandwich in a bit, but I'm pretty sure we need this cheese. So we just got that cheese, you open that shit up. Pretty sure we put 2 slices, maybe 3, depends. But 2, right there on, fuck, get the fuck out. So got that, got this. This is your process. Got bread, mayonnaise, cheese, okay? Okay, put this shit away. We don't need more fucking mayonnaise anymore. So you get the turkey, get the fucking turkey, and you just, is this shit even open? Oh no, it's fucking up. So get that fucking turkey, open that shit up. You guys can't even see me. Open that shit up, right? Gotta handle your turkey with fucking care, bro. Gotta kiss it. Sorry, just the packaged stuff smells like shit. So you put 2 slices. Get one more piece of cheese. Slap that shit around the middle. There, you got your sandwich. Put that together. This is your sandwich. Okay, guys, that's your sandwich. I don't know if this fucking sandwich is good enough. I'm just gonna put some trash Make an actual good sandwich. Go back the fuck in. Guys, soda. I get that shit. Okay, it's fizzing, but that's alright, right? Right, guys? Gotta get a cup. Get that cup. Guys, tip and trick. Pour it in the side, because then you won't get the fizz. Look. See that? See that? See that? It's not fizzing, bro. It's not fizzing. I mean, it don't have bubbles is what I mean. Go, guys. Well, I gotta wash my hands. Hey guys, just finished washing my hands. Gotta say some grace. Okay, and we're done. So I mean, my camera fucking died, so I already took a fucking bite. It tastes like it's good. Good. That'll be a wrap to my cooking video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it. Sausage pancake out.